if I told you that turning a single idea into a cinematic, photorealistic image, or even a full video, is now as easy as ordering pizza at 3 a.m.? MidJourney just dropped V7, and trust me, you are not ready for what this thing pulls off. Better realism, faster generation voice prompts, and a consistency feature creators have been begging for since day one. It's powerful, it's smart, and honestly, a little bit scary. But here's the twist. Every single feature connects to the next one. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how they all work together to change everything. Let's get into it. The moment you open V7, something is already different. This is the first MidJourney model with personalization enabled by default. Rate a few images when you start, and the model immediately begins learning your aesthetic, your color preferences, your style, your creative instincts, and bakes all of that into every single generation that follows. So before you've even typed a single prompt, V7 already knows what you like. And that foundation is what makes every other feature hit harder. Because once V7 understands your style, you don't even need to type anymore. V7 introduced voice prompts, meaning you speak your idea out loud and the model brings it to life in seconds. No typing, no prompt engineering, no staring at a blank box, just your voice, your idea, and an output that already matches your personal aesthetic because of the personalization layer underneath. I tested this at 2 a.m. half asleep, mumbled something about a neon city in the rain, and got back something that looked like a big budget film still. Either this tool is brilliant or I'm secretly a genius. Probably the tool. Ha 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 ha. Now here's where the workflow gets even smoother. Once you have your voice prompt ready, you don't have to wait around for the perfect result. V7's draft mode gives you 10 times faster generation at half the cost. Brainstorm 10 different concepts in the time it used to take to generate one. Think of it like fast food versus a sit-down restaurant. Sometimes you need speed, and draft mode delivers without killing your budget or your patience. And here's the part that ties it all together. All of that speed means nothing if the output doesn't match your vision. V7 fixed that. It now interprets prompts more literally than any previous version, meaning what you ask for is exactly what you get. Ask for a woman in a red coat standing in the snow and you get precisely that. Not close, not almost, exactly that. For professional creators, this is everything. And what comes out the other side? Photorealism that makes your brain do a double take. Casual observers genuinely cannot tell these images apart from real photographs. You'll zoom in 3 times just to make sure. I did. Ha 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 ha. But stunning single images are only half the story. The real creative power comes when you need to tell one. V7's character reference feature locks your character's face, outfit, and details across completely different scenes and settings. Same face, same clothes, brand new environment every time. Your protagonist finally stays your protagonist. Build entire visual stories with zero consistency breaks. That's not just a feature, that's a creative revolution. And once your character is locked in, you take it one step further. Animate your best image. And V7's video tool brings it to life with smooth, natural motion. The new start and end frame control lets you define exactly how your video begins and ends. Perfect for seamless loops, branded intros, and polished animations. From a single spoken idea all the way to a finished, consistent, moving video, entirely inside one tool. Voice prompts feed into personalization. Personalization sharpens draft mode results. Draft mode speeds up your prompt accuracy testing. Prompt accuracy drives photorealism. Photorealism powers character reference. And character reference makes your videos actually worth watching. Every feature in V7 builds on the last. And that's what makes this the most complete creative tool MidJourney has ever shipped. Is it perfect? Not quite. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the first thing you're generating with V7? Don't miss my next video. Why your thumbnails suck. Free AI tool for 10 times clicks. What I found there will seriously blow your mind.